How we started that? Never. I don't remember.
Yep.
I don't. Well, it's gonna be a happy day when he carries me away. He takes me to my home up in the sky, where there'll be no pain and strife, no more troubles of this life. He wipes everything right from my eyes. I don't know the pain he faced when I get homesick for the day. I won't have to work a struggle anymore. No blessing for me each day, but I can't wait to get away. I'm acting up on heaven's golden shore. I don't mean to complain about the troubles and the pain. Just tired of this wicked world of sin, where right is long and black is white in the wicked of the night. So ready for the Lord to come again. Well, it's gonna be a happy day when He carries me away. He takes me to my home up in the sky, where there'll be no pain and strife, no more troubles of this life. He wipes everything up from my eyes, and He wipes everything up from my eyes.
We do that good. I mean, we just take off on
I don't get the wrong verse going there.
When you do that one part there, I almost lost it there. I couldn't get the name.
On that.
That quick change part. Before you lose your breath, you're gonna lose it. If you lose it, we're all gonna be gone.
Yeah, if you lose it right there, it's gone.
It's gone.
Nah, it don't matter. We'll start over if I'm there. I don't like to do that, but I will.
Do you think you could get that, the more I seek you? You think that one's easier than just as I am? With I surrender mixed? For the altar song?
Talking about the one with the guitar.
Mm-hmm.
I'll play it. Like I said, I'm on vacation next week. I got time to sit down and do something.
Just do just as I am. Get you. We got it on paper copies.
Well, I'm mixed. Just as I am.
I like that
with
on-
I surrender all.
I like that on tape.
You got it on paper like that?
Yep.
The one he's got? Yeah, this might not be a bad song list here.
What's that?
This song list, it might be alright, pretty good.
Happy Day?
Keep it in there too,
Oh, yeah.
if we have to.
That's a good song. That's another Campbell song.
Is that it?
Yep.
Is that the whole song?
Almost got
That's
that
the whole
song down
song.
that she was wanting Dave to sing.
It's mixed.
Alright, Jack, come here,
That song
chord,
down that she was
chord
wanting Dave
man.
to sing.
Huh?
Need you to do the chord man on this one for us.
Well, you'll be like,
What'd you do then?
I don't know what to do.
See.
do I have a copy of it?
Does he have a copy of that?
No.